Well, good morning, guys. Happy Monday. And I just wanted to say hey, and I wanted to tell you what I'm thankful for today. And that is that I made a discovery on the house, which is super cool because you always wonder when you work on old houses, like, when was this house built? And nobody could really ever tell us. The best guess was early 50s. So I made a discovery today, which I'll show you a little bit later in the video, and I'm excited about. So last night I got all the concrete bolts anchored in on the old sill here. And it's definitely going to take some fine tuning to get this thing right, but I got quite a few anchor bolts in here and there. But what I wanted to talk to you about then today, first thing, was this discovery I made. Once I took this old sill off of here and I've been cleaning and stuff on top of this wall, I found something out. Check this out. This is so cool. A lot of times builders do this, and I've been waiting to find something because I've done it before. But so this guy's name was Roy D. Massey, and September 17th, 1948, they did this concrete block part. They poured these concrete headers above the windows and did these concrete block walls. So it's even a little earlier than we thought. We thought maybe early 50s, based on what we were told, since there's no actual record, but 1948. Somehow to me that's just super exciting to know that the actual builder that worked on this wrote his name, wrote the date, 77 years ago. My mom was born in 43, and she passed a few years ago, but she was 79. But it's just kind of wild to think about how long ago that was, you know? Like, that's just super cool, though. Anyway, just thought I'd share with you guys because it's exciting to me. Kind of helps my frame of mind today because, honestly, I'm struggling a little bit today just with how uneven and wonky this wall is and trying to get the elevations to come out. I'm a trim carpenter, and I like things to be perfect, and this is not going to be perfect, and I just have to be okay with that because it's an old house. I'll get it as close as I can, and the rest it'll just work out in the details, you know. But I'll do the best I can anyway. But so it's been a little bit of a struggle this morning, but finding that really helped me out this morning, so that was awesome. But yeah, I don't know if I quite made it clear, but I did get all that concrete poured last night. It was pretty dark by the time I got done, but I got 26 anchor bolts set in here all the way across. That's a lot more than what there was. So, and I think what I'm going to do is header on this side all the way across here, build a beam, because this side's pretty close. This side is pretty off, so I think since I only have that, I'm just going to do a header above that door and above this door. Not a whole lot to show for, but most of the day was spent just getting string lines and trying to get everything square as possible. So more tomorrow. Thanks for watching, guys.